guys, welcome to my channel. So dryness and peeling skin on the lips can get a bit annoying, and winters are about to start and it's a common issue with everyone. So here I am sharing how you can treat dry and chapped lips at home easily. So yes, let's begin. So for this you will need 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Now mix everything well. And this is the consistency you will need. Now apply this mixture on your lips and scrub gently in circular motion for good 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure you exfoliate very gently and do not harsh on your lips. Scrubbing your lips will exfoliate and get rid of the layers of dry and flaky skin. As a result, your lips will become soft and supple. Now wash the scrub off using a wet tissue or cloth. Now apply a little bit of ghee or clarified butter on your lips. Massage it for good 1 minute. Ghee has some amazing moisturizing properties. Now wipe off from the sides and continue to use it once or twice a week to maintain soft and smooth lips. So I hope you guys like this video and found it helpful. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.